Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have a Peruvian recipe. We call it Carapulcra or dry potato stew with pork and chicken. All ingredients below in my info box. Right here I have the dry potato. This is Peruvian potato. We soaked in water last night. Right here I have ají panca, yellow Peruvian ají, salt, pepper, cumin, garlic, onion, peanut butter, pork ribs, chicken pieces, and red wine. In a boiling water, we're gonna add the chicken pieces. And right here, I have my pot. It's hot, so I'm gonna be adding oil. And now I'm going to add the pork ribs that we are only going to seal or cook only from the outside. And when you see the pork ribs that are cooked only on the outside, it's time to remove them and set them aside for a moment. In the same oil, I'm gonna be adding the onion and garlic. Stir for 1 minute, and it's time to add the yellow Peruvian ají. I'm adding salt, pepper, and cumin. And right here I have the ají panca. This is a special Peruvian ají. When all of the ingredients are dry, it's time to add the chicken broth to keep hydrated. And I'm gonna add the dry potato. And don't forget to add more chicken broth. And now it's time to put back the ribs and then the chicken pieces. Don't forget add 2 cloves or 3. Cover the pot for a few minutes. And don't forget take it out the cloves and stir just a little bit. If you need more water, add more chicken broth. Cover the pot again for a few minutes more. And when you see the stew more thick, it's time to add the red wine. And right here I have the peanut butter, just 1 tablespoon. The peanut butter helps to this stew to be more thick and with this consistency. More creamy and smell so good. And this is the final result, guys. The Carapulcra. This Peruvian dish is delicious. I'm served with white rice and yucca. And she's Candy, my cotton de Tuliar. She's my partner in crime every Wednesdays. Please follow her every Saturday in her own videos. Follow me on my social media and subscribe to my channel and watch my last videos. See you next time. Bye bye.